see you guys.
Jauza, right?
Yes.
What are you doing here? Actually, we are just looking for a place that we can sit. Can we join you, Jauza?
Sure, come in. It's always been in here. How have you been, Jauza? I'm good. I just come from my netball practice and now I am doing my homework. Because now I have a lot of homework today. How about you too?
Same here. I had a massive math test last week. I think I'm just doing okay, but I'm not sure about that.
Talking about massive math test, what did you guys get for the result? To mention, I have get an A for my mathematics subject.
Wow, Jauza, you got an A?
Yes.
But I also got an A too in mathematics subjects.
Well done, guys. I also get an A.
Wow.
But most of my classmates did not pass the subject. Hey, no. On my class, there's around 10 people that not pass the subject and got an E for the subject. My teacher is very disappointed with them.
I also noticed that too. There is so many students didn't pass for the mathematics subject.
Yeah.
I'm sure there is a reason why this happened.
From my perspective, I think the student did not pass the subject because of teaching style or classroom environment. And it is because minimal interactive activities or lack of individualized attention can make students feel lost. In some cases, teaching method may not align with the student learning style, making it harder for them to grasp concept. What do you guys think? You have a good point there, Aina. But in my point of view, I think there are other reasons why our friend did not pass for this mathematics exam. It is due to the fact that they maybe got poor learning attitude, which means they maybe don't don't put much attention in the class, which when the teachers teach them, so they don't understand what the teacher is teaching in the class. We as a student also have the topic that we don't understand. But what can I see now? The students know they always often delay studying until the last minute, which leads them just memorize the topic but not to understand the topic. So when they study in this minute, they just read and memorize, but not to understand the topic. So they cannot solve the mathematics problem when they exam.
But
Yes, you can go first.
okay, but I think the children who lack of support from their family also one of the reasons why they always fail in the mathematics subject exam. Why I say that? Because you can see nowadays so many parents are busy with their works, so that they not have so much time to spend together with their child. Therefore, the children also cannot ask their parents to teach them what they cannot understand with the mathematics subjects. What do you think, guys?
I think besides that, the perception student towards math, because they might thinking of math is one of the boring subject. Lack of understanding that can be a reason why they get this lower mark in the class too. Is it because they don't have effort to understand the material that been taught of the teacher in the class?
But guys, I think there is a ways that we can solve the problem. Can you share?
From my perspective, I think teaching style or classroom environment one of the main reason to make the student get highest mark.
Yes.
And the teachers need to do an interactive games like playing quizzes or puzzle to attract the student. And gamifying math can make learning more enjoyable and less intimidating. What do you think, Jauza?
I am very agree with Aina. Is it because the teachers can incorporating technology in their learning, is that we can use such online math apps to interact students to love learning mathematics in the class. As we can see, there are variety of online math apps in the internet, such as Math Learning Center, Quizzes, and what's more?
And Kahoot, Jauza.
Oh,
Kahoot
Kahoot.
can make the student easy to access with it.
Oh, Kahoot.
Yes.
I agree. And
Do you using Kahoot?
Yes, I also using Kahoot.
Oh, me too.
Really?
Yes. Besides that, the teachers can also do collaborative learning, such as students work together in group to solve problems or explore concepts. So, learning from the peers and discussing different strategies can make math more social and engaging. What do you guys think?
Yes. Is it because we can see, right? Math is such a boring subject.
Yes.
So we need to change. So the teachers need to change their ways to teach their students. Like as we are aware, students today are very familiar with gadgets. So such as smartphone, tablets, or
Okay.
laptop.
Laptop.
Okay. It has become an important part of their daily life right now. So I reckon that teachers can use this option to get many opportunities for learning, but it also brings some challenges too.
You guys talk about the teachers, right? But the role of the parents in children's mathematics education is also important. Parents play a role as a motivators, teachers, and supporters in the children's mathematics learning. They can help their children by providing guidance and support in learning math. One of the ways the parents can support their children's math learning by actively engaging in math activities at home. For example, parents can involve their children in counting money, playing math games, and others. In this way, they will help the children see how mathematics is used in daily life and increase their interest in mathematics subjects. What do you think, guys? You want to say something, Jaza?
Sorry, but I disagree with you because from my perspective, parents nowadays is very busy with their own work. So how can you say that parents can teach their children, or
Yes, true.
right? How can you say that parents can teach their children and about selling or something like that? I don't understand. I disagree with you.
Sorry, but I think I agree with Jauza because sometimes the parents go back to work and they feel tired.
Yes.
They doesn't have much time. They want to rest after they are going back from work.
Okay, to sum up your answer, I would say that who parents are busy with their work, they can apply a tutor for their children. For example, take their children to tuition mathematics. In this way, they can improve.
Brilliant.
The mathematics skill learning in the children.
I never thinking that. Yes, you're right.
You have a brilliant point.
Next, interest in learning mathematics can be fostered through changing children's perception of learning mathematics. Children nowadays, you know what? Children dislike mathematics subjects because they find it confusing, unnecessary in their daily life. This such perceptions can be changed and inform them of the importance of mathematics in their life. For example, the parents can teach their children about buying and selling concepts. The parents can ask your child to make a total price of the two items you are going to buy at the store, and then praise them if they are able to draw quickly. They will be proud to answer with the question. What do you think?
So we conclude that attracting students to learn mathematics require a mix of creativity, relevance, and engagement. By connecting mathematics to real life situation, using interactive tools, incorporating games, and fostering a supportive learning environment, educators can make the subjects more approachable and enjoyable. That's all.
I think it's time for go to the class, and the bell was ringing.
Oh, really?
Oh.
Okay, see you later.
We have a good communication
Okay,
here.
that's all for our discussion.
See you guys